Okay, I want to talk a little bit more about the frame tools. All right, so in your toolbar, you've got a variety of frame tools, rectangular, ellipse, and polygon. I'll just go ahead and select the rectangular frame tool. So I want to talk about the frame tools again. So in the toolbar, you have a variety of different frame tools. I'll select the rectangle frame tool, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to pull out a frame. Now you pull out the frame for the desired size you want your image to be in your layout. And once you've got the frame selected, what you want to do is you want to place whatever it is you want to go in the frame. So I've got some images on my desktop I'm going to place in this frame. So I'm going to go File, Place. I'm going to look on my desktop and I've got a German Shepherd image. I'm going to go ahead and open it and it places it in this document. Okay. Now, obviously it's zoomed in to kind of the neck of the German Shepherd. What I can do is go under the object menu under fitting, and I can fill the frame proportionally. I can fit the content proportionally or content aware fit. I'm going to fill the frame proportionally, and then I can see the entire image. I can also go back and I can again change the size of this frame to whatever I want it to be. Okay. If you want to change the size that it is within the frame, you can go to your direct selection tool and it actually shows you the entire German Shepherd image inside that frame. If I've got that, I can go to a corner, hold down my shift key, and I can scale it within that frame, or I could just move it around within that frame as well. Let's go ahead and we'll put a graphic in there. I'll shift over to the elliptical frame tool. I'm going to hold down my shift key to get a perfect circle. And then I'm going to go File, Place again, navigate to my desktop where I've got some images. I've got the logo I created and place. Again, to fit it in the frame proportionally, you go Object, Fit, Frame proportionally. You also have icons on your option bar that will do the same thing. Fit, fill, frame proportionally, content proportionally, and so forth. And I can do that. Whoops, wrong one. There we go. Again, if you want the option key, you can get the entire logo file and you can scale it within that frame. The polygon frame tool, which I don't think I've ever really used for a professional project. Okay. Again, you can change the size, whatever that's going to be. Maybe I want a different one. Okay. And I can select it and I can go File, Place. I'll look for another image on my desktop. Open it, and I can fit content proportionally.